Shepard guarded closely by Alyssa Thomas, who gets the steal. Shepard lets her go. Thomas completes the play, the steal.
Sylvia follows, no hesitation in the pass.
Kayla McBride just barely touched it with her fingertips and redirected it to Syl. Alyssa Thomas has the answer for Connecticut. Sub in the game and handling the ball, that was Joyner Holmes, number 8 for Connecticut. And now Thomas finds a cutting Dejanay Carrington. And Mariah Jefferson's knee has been bugging her a little bit, and so Lindsay Allen may get some run here with Minnesota.
Nice job by Mariah Jefferson in getting her the ball where she needed it and doing it quickly.
Hartley hits the 3. Doesn't play that same role with the Lynx. Thomas in the lane for 2, just inside the lane. Alyssa Thomas, right-handed, and it's the way she shoots it with one hand on the ball.
Nice job by Allen jumping in. I always give high praise to these players who have to join the teams and quickly acclimate.
Bonner with a beautiful look to Thomas. Just on Monday, Kurt Miller said she didn't really meet her teammates until 90 minutes before that game on Tuesday. Courtney Williams finishes off the fast break. Didn't take a shot in the second quarter. Connecticut did a nice job shutting her down. Williams, that baseline 2 has been good all night long for Courtney Williams, and there's another one.
Smart things on the court, and here she gets the steal.
And the pass to Thomas, and then the shovel pass to Jones. And Brianna Jones hits the basket. She's fouled. Ready to roll here in this third quarter. Williams to Thomas, the lob pass inside to Jones, and Brianna Jones just works right around the much smaller Mariah Jefferson. And Thomas is a one-handed shooter, and it's because of the shoulder problems. Fined to Bonner up to 20 points. She averages 13. No practice for Hartley before she played her first game. No shoot-around for Hartley. Showed up 90 minutes before the game. And another assist for Alyssa Thomas on that play. 11 now for Thomas. Turnover by Minnesota. Hartley to Thomas for 2 points.
Coach Reeve just looking for a lineup that will produce for her. She's had everyone in this game.
Carrington hits a 3 from the baseline.
Thanks for watching ESPN on YouTube. For live streaming sports and premium content, subscribe to ESPN+.